GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory Exercise number 7D Implementing Replacing Characters Program using String. Replacing characters. Inside Python there is a replace of one built-in function is there in the Python programming language that returns a copy of string where all occurrence of a substring which are replaced with another substring. This is a syntax for replace of method, that is a string dot replace of old, new and count. This old means that old substring you want to replace, and new, that is a new substring which would replace the old substring, and the count, the number of times you want to replace the old substring with the new substring. This count is optional. Let's see one program. String equal to, string is a variable. Inside that this will be stored Grace College of Engineering for education, 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 education. 4 times I have represented that education. The next print the string by replacing the education. That is print string variable dot replace of built-in function. Replace of education will be replaced by the new one. See the syntax? The old one is education. New, that is good education. Going to replace by good education. Next one, you can see the output. That is Grace College of Engineering for, that education is replaced by good education. Then next education is replaced by good education. Next third education is replaced by good education. Fourth education is replaced by good education. Next print string dot replace of education. That is a old one, new is good education, count is 3. Replace only 3 occurrences of education. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 education is present. But while replacing, we will replace 1, 2, 3, 3, 1. Remaining this education will be there. It will not be replaced. That is a method of this count. So you can see in the output. First Grace College of Engineering for good education, good education, good education. And finally it is present as a education. This is a method of using that replace. Okay. Let's see the lab exercise. Exercise number 7D, implementing replacing characters program using string. A, to write a Python program to implement replacing characters program using string. Algorithm, step 1, start the program. Step 2, read the string. Step 3, replace of method is used to replace the original characters. Step 4, string dot replace of method is used. Step 5, print the replaced string. Step 6, stop the program. Program string 1, input of enter your string. This input we are going to get from the user. So you want to use that input of method. Okay. Next. CH, that is a enter, they want to replace the characters, no, which character wants to be replaced, that will be stored in this CH variable, which is equal to input of enter the character. Okay, this also we are getting from the user, so that this input of function is used. The next variable, that is new, is equal to input of enter the new character. Okay, the next, this is the main method. String 2 equal to string 1 dot replace of ch comma new. Okay, replace of syntax you all know. First one, that is a old, and second one will be new. The count is optional. Okay, so next line, print the original string. Original string will be printed. Side by side, see the output. First entire string hello world is entered by the user. And enter the character RL is entered by the user. So which character? RL. This RL is entered. And the new character, which one wants to be replaced? R. RL wants to be replaced by R character. Okay. RL is a characters. These two characters are replaced by single character, that is a R. So original string is hello world. Then here print modified string. String 2 will be present here. So modified string is hello world. Okay. Now you understood the concept of how to replace the characters. Right. Let's see the execution part in Python. In the description box, I have given the link how to install Python. You can refer that. After install Python, click the start. Type ideally, enter. Ideally shell will be opened. Then click file, new. Here you can type the program. After you type the program, click the file, save. Inside the Python path, you want to save the file. Give the file name. I have given char. Okay, it is stored. Then click run, run module. Here enter your string. Hello world I have given. Then click enter. Enter the character RL. That characters wants to be replaced. So RL. Then enter. Enter the new character R. Then enter. So original string is hello world and the modified string is hello world. Okay. Result of this program. Thus the Python program to implement replacing characters program was written and executed successfully. I hope you all understood the concept of replacing, how to replace the characters in Python programming. Thank you.